Hi, and welcome to DM Roofing. With over 25 years' experience in domestic and commercial roofing, we feel ideally placed to deliver you the new roof you're looking for. After all, it will be one of the biggest outlays you will make on the maintenance of your home. So please, take a moment to browse our website. We have tried to make it as easy as possible to navigate and make a decision based on the pictures, videos, and information we have provided for you, like what you get when undertaking a full slate re-roof from start to finish, what is renewed, and what is reused. With hundreds of pictures to view of our tile, slate, felt, and GRP systems, a video page showcasing some of our previous jobs as we work through them, and written information that we hope will answer a lot of your questions. We also have many easy contact options for you, should you decide to take the next step of a roof survey and free no-obligation written quotation from us. With easy-to-use links through WhatsApp, Facebook, and email, a contact form you can fill in, and our landline numbers if you prefer to talk to us directly, both live if you are viewing this website through a mobile device. We hope you enjoy browsing our site, and please feel free to contact us with any questions you may have.